Hi, welcome. In this particular session, we'll be talking about headings and paragraph. So far, we have discussed about HTML. We have seen how to write my first, HTML page also, right? So we have also discussed about elements. We have discussed about tags and all, right? So today in this session, we'll be talking about headings and paragraph, right? Already we have used this headings and paragraph. Little bit of more details we're going to see in this particular video, right? So headings, why do we require headings? Headings we require in order to create certain titles and subtitles. So we need to holistically use these headings in order to create our titles and create our subtitles. And each heading has a default size. Okay, in each heading has a default size, and the heading starts from heading 1 to heading 6. Okay, and heading 1, if you see the heading 1 is the most important heading, and heading 6 is the least important heading. And chronically, if you see, heading 1 will be having the larger size, and heading 6 will be having the smaller size. And each of these HTML heading will be having a default size. And why we're going to use a heading, we're going to use a heading in order to create certain titles or subtitles itself. So these are the certain size in pixel. So heading 1 we have 32 pixel, okay, by default. So heading 2 we have 24, heading 3 18.72, heading 4 16, 85 13.28, and heading 6 is equal to 10.72 pixel itself. Okay, so let us see one example. So I put some names, okay, and put some HTML heading itself. Okay, so let us see this. So I will save this file. Okay, and let us go back and okay, let me see this my first page itself. Okay, so you can see. So you get the name Bhupesh, okay, Mukesh, Rakesh, Ramesh, Surej, and Pulakesh. And you can see the size, right? How it has been displayed itself, right? So this is a heading itself. So heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, all. Okay. So let's move on. So why heading is important? Because search engine use heading to index the structure and content of your web pages. So if you put heading means title and subtitles I was talking about, right? So titles, as we know, the importance of the title also. So search engine help us in order to index and how to structure and content of your web page itself. Okay, and it is important to show headings to show the document structure itself. So heading also provide us the way which we can structure our document itself. Okay, so what we have understood, so heading, titles and subtitle, it has some default size, and in HTML your heading starting from h1 to h6, and also you have seen the pixels size with the heights and all. Also we have seen one example, we have demonstrated that. Okay, and then importance of the headings, because headings helps us the search engine, you will be using these headings, okay, so in order to index the structure and the content of the web page, of your web page itself, and also helps us to show the structure of the document itself. Okay, so paragraph is something okay, which we will be having a group of sentences, okay, always starts with a new line and usually a block of states, usually a block of states, and the and a tag that we use is p itself to define the paragraph itself. Okay, so something like that. Today is a beautiful day. Later I have created certain paragraph. Again, let me copy this. Okay, right, and I will put it in this particular page. Yes, let me save. Okay, let me go back. So this is my first shape. So I got this, right? Today is a beautiful day. Let us go for walk. So you can see that each of this is nothing but a paragraph itself. Okay, right? So each of this itself is a paragraph. So let me do one thing. I was telling you regarding that some uh, tags which doesn't have a closing like the horizontal line. So let us put one horizontal line here. Okay. Yes, after each of this paragraph, let us put one horizontal line. Yes, can you see this? This is what the code I have written, the horizontal line. Okay, for every particular paragraph after that. Okay, so let me go back. See, I am drawing this horizontal line. Okay, So let us see what happens if I create what if I give a break statement here, brk. Okay, here I am giving right one break. So same way I am putting one break here. Okay, br. Yes, so I give a break here. Can you see this? Okay, so let me save and see what happens. So you can see it is coming into the next line itself. Okay, right? So whatever we are writing here in this paragraph, okay, it is continuously is taking, right? So temperature increasing to the, let us see, cancel our trip. If you see it is temperature is increasing to, let us cancel our trip, it is coming up, right? But if you see here, I have given a break statement. Today is a beautiful day, break, let us walk. So it will go back into the new line. So that is what it is happening. It has come down, let us go for a walk has come down in the new line. And if you remove this break, again it will be coming in the same line, right? If you remove this and I save this, okay, and and it will be coming in the same line itself. Okay, so I hope having said this, it is clear regarding the headings and the paragraph itself. Okay, so thank you and do keep watching my video.